Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I am in Wyoming right now, slash Idaho. It's technically Idaho, but we're like 30 minutes away from Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Maybe 45 minutes. I'm here at my parents' vacation house in Idaho. I got here around 1 o'clock Central Mountain Time, whatever. And as soon as I got to our house, I literally fell asleep on top of the covers. Like, I had my airport fit on, which is so gross. I had my lululemon jacket on. I literally fell asleep on top of the covers for 3.5 hours, which I never do. But I didn't sleep the night before because my flight was at 6. I had to get up at like 4, so I literally didn't get any sleep. Funny enough, my brother and sister-in-law, if you guys didn't know, they live in the house across the street from us in Idaho, and they were actually visiting North Carolina this past week, and they were supposed to fly back Wednesday. I was supposed to fly here on Friday, and they missed their flight, so they ended up getting on my flight. So it was nice that I was able to have family on the flight and wasn't flying by myself, because originally I was flying by myself and I literally bought a first class ticket. I'll insert a clip that I got because I thought I was flying by myself, and I just like to fly first class when I'm flying by myself. But yeah, so I didn't even need to do that, but it was honestly worth it. Yeah, nothing has been going on. That's why I haven't been vlogging, because we haven't really been doing anything that special. I need to get better at that. But yeah, I think we're staying in tonight. Mom's cooking dinner and we're gonna watch football. Nothing crazy, but tomorrow we're going skiing, so I'll get some footage. But yeah, I need to wash my hair tonight. It's literally disgusting. But I'm gonna chill in bed for a little bit and edit, and I'll talk to you guys later. I'll show you like room and house updates. I don't know if there's many, but yeah, I love my little room here. It's so cozy, and I have the whole basement to myself, which is so nice. But yeah, tell the camera what you made.
Oh, I looked back.
Just tell them what you made.
Really? You want me to talk?
Yes.
Chili. Thanks for making me talk.
She made chili. Yeah, she doesn't feel good, and she's still made chili, but I don't like chili. So what I do is I just dip crackers in it. I don't like the beans or anything, but that's what's for dinner. Dad got me clothes to wear under skiing because I've always just worn Mom's, and he just started doing a haul for me, so I decided to record. Okay, so what are those?
They're smart wool.
Okay.
Long john bottoms.
Yep, okay, good.
Okay.
What's the next item?
1, 2 is a thinner bottom. REI.
Do I wear both of them at the same time?
Not unless it's super cold. Here is a top, smart wool. Ain't that just cute? Look. Here is another mid-weight upper layer, smart wool. And last but not least, a Patagonia, which your mom said you wouldn't want, and I said you would. And it's navy blue. They had a white and black, but they didn't have your size. So this is a pretty thick layer.
What size is that?
Extra small.
Okay.
Yep.
Cool.
That's it.
Thank you. Is that it for the haul?
That's it.
Hi guys, it's the next day. We are on the way to the mountain to go skiing. I have to get my ski pass because this is my first time of the year skiing. So we probably won't be out there long today, right?
2 hours.
Yeah, probably 2 hours because there's a football game on tonight. So we gotta catch that, but yeah, I'll try and film a little bit. Well, I was too hungry and didn't film my Caesar salad or our pizza, but... Hi guys, it is the next day. I don't even know what I vlogged yesterday, but I think I got some good clips of me skiing, but it is around 9:30 right now, and we are leaving literally right now to go back on the mountain, and it's a beautiful day, and we're hitting the harder slopes today, so I'll make sure and get some clips. We just did the easy ones yesterday since it was my first time back in like a year. I just needed to like warm up and I needed a refresher, but I did so good. It was so much fun. This is the view from my room and it's a beautiful day. Like this is perfect skiing weather. I will vlog on my phone whenever I have a chance. My room is so messy, just ignore that. But I'm exhausted. I got up at 8:30 today, which is really early for me. Hi guys, it is the next day. I don't know if I even vlogged yesterday, but we skied literally all day. And then we did apres-ski, which is where you drink and eat if you want after you're done skiing. So we did that at the restaurant at the resort that we ski at till literally 7 o'clock. And I think we got off the slopes at like what, 3:30? Yeah, like 3:30. Then one of our friends left her sunglasses, so we had to meet her at another restaurant and bar. We didn't get home till literally 10 o'clock, and I left my snow boots in a locker at the resort, and we tried to get them last night, and we couldn't get into the locker system. So we have to go and grab those today, and we're gonna go eat. It's literally like 12:30, I think, but we're just now getting out of the house because we had a eventful day yesterday. But here's my outfit. I'm wearing this Lulu Wonder Puff cropped jacket and I don't know what this is called, like mocked align long sleeve, and then my V-waist aligns, and then my moon boots. So, and then we're going out to dinner tonight, so I'll get cuter for that. I'm literally not wearing makeup, but yeah, that's the fit. We're gonna go grab my boots and go to brunch, I guess. Hi guys, so it is a few days later. It's actually Friday now. I got back to North Carolina last night around 1 in the morning. I was flying and like in the airport for like 12 hours, and I didn't go to bed till 5 this morning because I'm a psychopath and I have to unpack the second I get home. But anyways, I don't even know the last thing I vlogged from my trip. I feel so bad. I was terrible at vlogging. But I think the last thing I vlogged was me in that purple jacket. And I did get some clips on my phone of that night because we went to go see my sister-in-law at her job. She works at this like really nice private airport, but the restaurant in there, and it was so cool. We got to see the planes and stuff. So I'll insert clips like as I'm talking about it, but the food was bomb. I got like a really good huckleberry drink. I don't even get a picture of it, but anyways, the trip was amazing. I am going back in a few weeks, I believe, but I had to wake up this morning and drop off a package at UPS. Yeah, and then I had to go pick up my new Apple Watch because it came while I was gone, and obviously I had to sign for it and I wasn't here. I didn't know that. So I had to go pick it up at a Advanced Auto Parts. So random, but I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. Basically, I've had the same Apple Watch since I was a freshman in college. So I have the Series 4 and now we're up to the Series 8. Yeah, I've been, like I said in my previous vlog, going to Pilates, and usually for Orange Theory I wouldn't even wear my Apple Watch because we have like a heart rate monitor, but for Pilates we don't, so I need something to track my heart rate, my calories, and all that fun stuff. So I decided to splurge and get a new Apple Watch. I'm really excited. I actually got this on discount, or for like a little discount, because I have a friend that works for Apple, and so she gave me a family and friends discount, so that was so freaking sweet. I'm so excited. So I got the Series 8 gold stainless steel case, gold stainless steel Milanese loop, 41 millimeters. So here's the band I got, and also I got this band in the mail. So I got the Starlight sports band and then the gold Milanese one. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but okay. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I have so much to do today. I've got to finish unpacking, finish laundry. I need to get ready because I'm going to dinner tonight. I'm going to this new restaurant in Winston-Salem and I'm really excited about it. Here's the charger, I guess. And then here's the watch. I don't know how to do this, so I'm ripping it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So when I got my last Apple Watch, they didn't offer gold. It was like, I think they had silver, a black, and a rose gold, and I got rose gold, but I bought a case off of Amazon to make it look gold. It was just way too gold, and the screen wouldn't even work because there was a screen protector on it, but this one's so freaking pretty. I think I'm gonna try the gold band first. I've just like never really been a big Apple Watch person. Like, you know, I'm not the person that like needs a new one every time one comes out. Like literally, I've only had 2 in my whole life. I got the first one, like the OG. It wasn't even the series 1. Okay, I'm gonna figure this out, set this up, and I will catch you guys in a little bit. Oh my God, it looked so scary. I'm running a bath, so if you hear noise, that's what it is. But I did unpack, but as you can see, I was too lazy to put my clean clothes away, and then these are all new clothes that I have to do a haul on, so I'm gonna hang those up. But also, I got my watch set up. I'm not sure if the band's on correct. I think it is, but it looks a little sus to me. I really like it. But okay, I'm gonna put these clothes up. Okay guys, I'm a little stressed. My friend's coming to pick me up in like 10 minutes and I literally hate my outfit. Like I hate it. I wear this jacket all the time, but it's the only like nicer jacket I have. And then I'm wearing this purple bodysuit from Aritzia, my A Goldie jeans, and these platform booties. But I hate it. Like I hate it. But it's too late to change. Like, I don't know. I feel like winter fashion is so hard to execute because I want to wear cute things, but I always have to wear a jacket. I don't know, but it's whatever. We're going with it. But yeah, I'll try and vlog a little bit at the restaurant. But yeah, okay, it's whatever. It is what it is.